Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, we are channeling full Rococo royalty vibes. Think ruffles, lace, powder, wigs if you dare, and main character energy straight out of Versailles. So if you want to know how to create the look, let me show you the steps. So in here for the hair, first I'm going to put on this hair from the curly category, this one. And you can just choose any color that you like, but I'm going to use this light brown color for the hair. And then I'm going to combine it with this royal updo, I call it, this one in here, and use the same color for the hair. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the dress. In here, I'm going to go to the fitting rooms. And I'm going to first wear this necklace and change the color into white. And then for the dress, I'm going to wear this dress and color it white for the second and first preview, and I'm going to combine it with this dress. But here I'm going to only wear the dress, so let's toggle it into number 3, and in here I'm going to change the color using this patterns. Okay, so first preview and the second one using the patterns, and for the details I'm using the white color. And here I'm going to also grab this bag from code items, this bags in here, and I'm going to just make the bag color into white, but for the bow and the chains I'm going to make it soft pink like this. Okay, so once you're done in here, let's finish the outfit. So first I'm going to go here and put on this accessory on the hair and change the color into only pink and white like this. And I'm going to grab this necklace in here and toggle it into number 2 and change the color into pink and white. Okay, so for the dress, you need to also put on some other details. Here I'm going to put on this puff on the arms and change the color using the patterns, and also this pump on the shoulder using the same patterns. And now put on this dress and toggle it into type 2 and change the first color using the patterns, and the second one make it white. So once you do that, now the look is done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.